Oh man, do I make a video on this? I don't know. Maybe. Let's do it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode in the Honda Civic Mugen SI series. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video, and do me a favor and click on the subscribe button. It really helps me out. In the last video, we went ahead and changed out the broken sun visors in this car. And in today's video, I even debated if I should make this or not. But you know what? It's a problem that people have that may not know how to fill their windshield washer fluid. I actually did a quick search on YouTube, and it seems like some videos had almost 1 million views. So there's definitely people out there that do not know how to fill windshield washer fluid in their car. And if you're a car enthusiast, this is probably not the video for you, but thank you for clicking on it. It really means a lot to me. So in today's video, I'm going to fill the windshield washer fluid in my car, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So this is going to be pretty simple. You're not really going to need any tools. I got a funnel, but if you're careful, you don't even need a funnel. And then I just got some windshield washer fluid from Walmart. It was pretty cheap over there, I think under $3. You can use brand name, but honestly, they're all the same. I think the other thing to note is if you live in a really cold climate, they make specific ones that don't freeze in your tank and explode your tank. So just make sure where you live, you pick that formula. But that's all you need. Let's pop the hood and let's get into this. So this is gonna be super simple. We're just gonna pop our hood, come to the front of the car, open this latch. Now that we got the hood pop, we're just going to want to identify where we're going to fill our windshield washer fluid. In most cars, it's usually blue. I've seen some cars the cap is black, but in this scenario, it usually has a picture of your windshield with some water, I guess, or spray, whatever that is. But this is where we're going to fill it up. Just get a funnel, put it right in, and then we'll get our bottle and fill this up. We're just going to get our bottle, poke a hole in it, and then now that we got our funnel in there, we're just going to want to pour this into our funnel. That is it. My car took about 2/3 of the bottle, and you can see that we have the windshield washer fluid up at the top. We're just going to close that, and we're good to go. We'll hop in the car, see if we get some fluid out. All right, back in the car. Let's see if we get some fluid out. And perfect. Now we got a clear view. That's it. Super simple on filling your windshield washer fluid in your car. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure you're liking this video, subscribing, and commenting. Definitely be on the lookout for more videos. I know this was super short, but I really want to get you guys a video as I'm going to Mexico this week, and I won't get a chance to make another video for next week. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.